Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Nasdaq Exchange and Technology Review My Usage Experience. Nasdaq Exchange and Technology Review My Usage Experience offers a comprehensive platform for analyzing the Nasdaq Exchange and related technology trends. It's aimed at investors, financial analysts, and anyone interested in keeping up to date with the latest developments in the tech sector within the Nasdaq market. Key features likely include market data analysis tools, news feeds, and potentially charting capabilities. Their website provides details on specific functionalities and subscription options. Their website highlights the depth of historical data available, promising insightful analysis capabilities. They emphasize ease of use for both beginners and experienced analysts. Pricing is transparent, with clearly stated subscription tiers, and there are no hidden fees mentioned. The technology behind the platform appears robust, utilizing real-time data feeds to ensure up-to-the-minute information. Availability is, presumably, global, though this would need to be confirmed on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Nasdaq Exchange and Technology Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was straightforward. After signing up for a free trial, I was immediately presented with a clean and intuitive dashboard. Navigating the interface was easy. I quickly found the tools I needed to analyze specific stocks and trends. I used their charting feature extensively, and found it to be very responsive and customizable. The quality of data presented was excellent, and the real-time updates were reliable. I was really impressed by how easily I could generate custom reports for my portfolio analysis. One minor drawback was the learning curve associated with utilizing some of the more advanced analytical features. It took me a couple of days to fully grasp the potential of certain tools, but the comprehensive help documentation was very useful. I also had a quick question about exporting data, and their support responded within 24 hours via email. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Nasdaq Exchange and Technology Review My Usage Experience. The standout feature for me was definitely the depth of historical data and the ease with which I could visualize trends. While it has a few quirks, it generally met my needs and has proven to be a valuable asset in my investment research. That's my overview of Nasdaq Exchange and Technology Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.